unexpected, she's excited. Skin tight dress, take your guess, I'm finna swipe it. Change your plans, call your girls and tell them you ain't gonna make it.
Hey everyone, it's Suzy here. I really hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in this week's video, I'm just taking you along with me. I just thought this style of video is a true representation of my life. It's very casual, so feel free to grab a drink, a coffee, a hot beverage, and just chill out with this one and watch me as I go about my week. I'm just sat getting ready for the day, and I recently did a Space NK order, so I thought whilst I'm sat here, I thought I'd show you what I ordered from Space NK and some of the new products I'm trying out. Now, the first thing I ordered, this one is not actually new to me. This is a cleanser by The Ordinary. It's their squalene cleanser. It's a really great no frills cleanser. It's great if you've got sensitive skin. It's not particularly fragranced and it just does the job. And I've really enjoyed using this in the past, and as we transition through to the springtime, thank God, I feel like this is just such a good cleanser for me and something I really enjoy using. Sticking with the theme of The Ordinary, this is something that is new to me. I haven't tried this before, but it is their azelaic acid. Apparently, this is a product that is good for brightening skin and improving skin texture. I'm on a bit of a glow up right now, so I felt like, you know, let's just add something new into the routine and see if this can add to the glow. I also ordered from Space NK some Bioma products. I've never actually used this brand before, but I've ordered two toners. This first one is a face mist. It's to balance and soothe. It says it's gonna help protect the natural barrier of the skin and leave skin feeling soothed and hydrated and soft. Again, last year I used to use a facial mist. Just added it to my routine. I thought, why not? Let's bring it back. Let's try this brand and add another layer of hydration to the skin. And then the second toner is this hydrating milky toner. This is giving soothing vibes. And as you might be able to see, I suffer with a bit of rosacea as well. So I thought, let's give this a go. This toner says it minimises water loss for a radiant, dewy result and a stronger skin barrier. Great for sensitive skin or sensitised skin. It's all about hydrating and repairing. So I'm excited to use this. And the final thing that I got from Space NK, which is also by Bioma, is this hydrating recovery oil. I have got into such a routine at night using oil instead of a night cream, and I am loving it. It's become a bit of a nightly ritual. This one really spoke to me. I have loved in the past using jojoba oil. So this one has squalene and jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil as well. Can't ever say I've ever heard of that. Again, I'm all about trying new things here, and I'm excited to restore and nourish my skin with this brand. I feel like it's been a bit of a trending brand at the moment and I've been seeing it everywhere, so I thought I'd give it a go and try something new. And yeah, I'll let you know how I got on with it. Speaking of skincare as well, if you were wondering, I have been religiously using the Shark Cryo Glow Mask. I am absolutely loving it. I think I've even shocked myself about how much I'm using it. It's something that I use every single night. And you know what? I think it is making a difference. I feel like it's been a month now since I've been using it, but honestly, I think I do notice the difference. So I'm going to keep going on with that as part of my skincare routine. So that's what I picked up from Space NK, and now I'm about to finish off getting ready, dry my hair and get into today. If you watch my last video, you'll know that I've been trying to incorporate a bit more balance in my life. So this weekend brunch was exactly what I needed. Just a nice slow morning, enjoying some yummy food. Look at this French toast, it was so good. And at night, to incorporate a little bit more balance and some time to just wind down, I've created myself a bit of a bedtime ritual. I get my Shark Cryo Glow Mask, set it on for an 8-minute LED treatment, get my Kindle and read some pages of my book. This is so relaxing, and I always then follow up with a facial oil and then get ready to fall asleep. And honestly, it's been making such a big difference to just winding down, shutting off my mind and practicing a bit of self-care. I'm starting a bit of a new workout program today. I am really going full foot on the gas. I feel like the start of January, I've just eased myself back into getting back into a routine, getting back into working out again. I've just tried to like ease myself back into things. So honestly, the workouts that I've been doing for the first part of January have just been whatever I wanted to do. I've been doing club bangers rides on Peloton. I've been doing hiking boot camp on my treadmill. I've just been doing what I wanted to, really. And now I'm calling myself out because I'm like, right, we've eased back into things now, Suzy, and now we're gonna lock in. I'm gonna start this new workout program. This new workout routine that I'm doing is a 3-day split. It's a push-pull leg split. And then alongside that, I'm gonna still be doing my rides, tread camps and things like that. But that's my main focus now, incorporating this push-pull legs into my week and building strength, because that is one of my huge goals. Yeah, it just feels really refreshing and exciting to start something new today. I know that I've not done this type of training in a long time, so I'm going to start off with some lower weights, get my body used to getting back into like moving in this way again. Over the next 8 weeks, I'm going to be tracking my progress, doing a bit of progressive overload as well. I've actually brought in this weekly planner into my garage. I'm going to leave this in here, and then when I do a workout, I can kind of write down like my weights. And that means that every time I come back and do the same workout, I can just like take a note of, okay, last week I was lifting that, how did that feel? If it felt good, let me progressive overload and add a little bit more weight. And that's just gonna make sure that I'm progressing and I'm getting stronger. Let's get into the first workout. Well, I was humbled by that workout. That wasn't easy. It's kind of left me feeling like, okay, we have work to do here, but at the same time, I'm not going to go 0 to 100. I'm going to keep showing up to these strength workouts and just slowly increasing the weights. And actually, I think that's super important with anything new that you're starting. Just to take small steps. You don't have to go from 0 to 100. And actually, in the long run, I always find that just taking it easy and gradual is so much better, because it allows you to become more consistent and allows you to get into a routine without being completely burnt out or flawed by whatever it is that you're trying to do. This morning, I've actually started a bit of a journaling session. Now, when I say journaling, my version of journaling is very much like doodling. I just get my iPad out and I start kind of like writing, drawing some cute hearts and like some stars and things like that, and just kind of spilling out my thoughts, because I'm definitely wanting to go through a bit of a transformation for myself. I hate to say glow up, but it definitely feels like that. I definitely want to evolve into the best version of myself, and I know there is work to be done. I wrote all this down on my iPad, journaling away of all the things I want to work on, and I've decided to start a bit of a new series called the Glow Up Diaries. So I'm going to be posting on YouTube Shorts and on my Instagram account as well, and just kind of showing my journey about how I'm going through this transformation. You know what? I think a glow up is actually quite an internal thing. I know to some people glow up might sound really quite superficial, but for me it's all about feeling good from the inside and just feeling like I am the best version of myself. And of course, the reason why I'm posting all this content is hopefully to help or inspire other people as well to become the best version of themselves. So I really hope you enjoy following along. If you want to follow along and you want to watch future videos to come, you know what to do. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.